Hey guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge Lab. Today in this video we are going to make this simple model which is a tennis ball. You can see here this is the model that we are going to make in this video. Here mainly we will be using the revolve and sweep cut tools. Already I have explained the revolve and sweep cut tools. The link has given in the description box. Whoever wants to study, you can go and you can study those videos also. So let's open a part first. I'll click on the new, click on the part, go for OK. Now you can see here the by default unit is mmgs, which is millimeter gram second. Let it be. I'll choose here front plane and I'll go for the sketch. I'll take a circle here, draw a circle and give the dimensions. I'll be giving here the dimension is 72 mm, and I will just draw here one more line. Now I will trim the bottom portions, trim these portions, just go with the OK. Now exit from the sketcher. Now I will go for the feature called revolve. So here you can see the thickness is 10 mm. I'll be giving here 4 mm and I'll give the thickness in inner side. So reverse the directions and just go with the OK. Now you can see here just we have created a sphere. I'll just do one thing. I will change here view style and I'll change it to hidden lines, visible hidden lines. Now you can see here again I will take a sketch on the front plane and make it normal to the sketch. Now I will just draw here one line from this point to this point. Now you can see here it has taken the relation coincident, and here also it has taken the relation coincident, but the thing is I'll be giving the relation horizontal. Now I'll be giving here one dimension to this lines and the dimension is 30 mm. Now I will exit from the sketcher and I will select here right plane and I will go for the sketch and make it normal to the plane, and I will draw once again one more same sketch. So from here to here, which is 30, and I'll be giving here one dimension which this is 30, and here you can see this line is not horizontal, so click on the line, give the relation horizontal. Now you see this is fully defined. Come out from the sketch. Now I will choose here top plane and go for the sketch and I'll make it normal to the plane. I'll go for the center rectangle here and just I will make a rectangle. So I'll just do here one thing. I will give here all these lines are equal. Just go with this. Okay. Still it's not fully defined. This center point and this I'll be giving the relation coincident. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined. So come out from this sketch. Now I will go for the sketch. Under sketch you have here one more option that is called 3D sketch. So click on the 3D sketch and go for a spline. I'll choose here spline and I'll start the sketch from this point. I'll go like this. I'll come down. I'll click on this point. I'll click on this point. I'll click on this point. I'll click on this point and click on this point, and finally make a close sketch. Now you can see here this is also become a fully defined sketch. Now come out from the sketch and I'll just select here one plane. I'll choose here right plane and click on the sketch and make it normal to the sketch. Now Now you can change this view mode also. So I will just go with this with the slot. Click on the center point slot, and from here to here I'll just make a slot, and I'll be giving the slot, I'll be giving radius 1.15 I can give here, and I'll be giving here this distance which is 2. Now you can see here our sketch getting fully defined. Come out from the sketch and go for the features here called sweep cut. So click on the sweep cut. Now you see sketch is already selected, just I need to click on the path. Now go for the OK. Now you can see here it is looking like this, but I will just do one thing. I will change the appearance from here. I will change the background plain white, and you can hide all the sketch. Now see here I will apply some appearance here. So first I'll go for the sweep cut, and I'll just go to the appearance. I'll just give there some white color, which is just simply like this. And we can give here little fillet also. If you want, you can give little fillet to this edge. So click on this. I'll be selecting on this edge, and just clear selection. First choose here edge fillet. Click on this edge, and here I will change the fillet radius. I'll give here 1. Similarly I will select the other face also. I'll be giving here fillet radius 1 mm. Now just go with the OK. Now I will do here one thing. First you have to select this revolve and this fillet, and go to the appearance and go for the browse, and go to the fabric. Under fabric we will select here this one and go for OK. Now you see here it is looking like this, but I will just change the color. I'll choose here green. Now you can see here it is looking like this. Even you can change it from here also. Here I will just do little adjustment here with this, and just go for this OK. So guys, now you can see here your model is getting ready. Hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.